Ah, boom, bye bye, boom, bye bye. Tone it down, you know. Today we have a different video, you know. Today we have a video where, no, this is the most unlike Indian person I've ever seen. That might sound a little racist, but I'm sorry. But this dude is going around to different countries, different hoods, and literally interviewing gang members or people who are affiliated with the streets. No, this man take up himself and chose to go to Jamaica. No, I don't mean nothing bad by this. But if I know anything by some Jamaicans are kappa. So we are gonna take a dive into the Jamaica deep. This is called the murder capital of Jamaica. No, I know Jamaica, evidently. But we wanna see where this man I talk about right now. So we are gonna dive into this, and sir, if them people upon it, you think a cap, we are gonna tell us them a cap. You see me? Cause we know a real bad man and we know a real bad place when it come to Jamaica. So without further ado, like, comment, subscribe. We're trying to get to 20K before the end of the year. So like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to dive deep down into this video because this Indian youth I look like him affiliated with some gang members too, you know. Just off how you look, you're the most gangster Indian me ever seen a youth. But let's go, yo.
This turned me a monster around here. One stop killing. This is a bumbo clog uptown in a Batman. Get up. Nah, stop it. Respect and manners to Jamaica people. Don't make it shine. Because when we see it shine, we are come to it. You need a grime, isn't it? We go to the...
Gonna jump fence.
This week I'm in Kingston, Jamaica, one of the most dangerous cities in the world. At one stage it was named the murder capital of the world, where someone was getting killed every 6 hours. I've come to speak to those involved, from gang
Yo, with a Jamaican background, me never know that. In 2008, I never there Jamaica. I lived Jamaica a long time.
members, contracted killers and serial killers, to get an insight to what it's really like living in these dangerous garrisons. To watch the whole documentary, it will be on my Patreon for little as $2.99 a month. As well, there's a book in my description called Environment Trap if you want to see what it's really like living in these trenches.
Alright, yo, so if you want to pause it so you can go see it, Environment Trap. Basically the book is about people who are stuck in an environment. Obviously, it is self-explanatory. If me have to explain that to my brother, I'm go back to school. But as you can tell, go and go check out the dog thing, because the youth do some great work. So go and go support him thing. If you want to buy the book, see it there. We just do a reaction, so we have to show support at the same time.
For the documentary. My first interview in Kingston, Jamaica was with a contracted killer named Blacks. This is an insight into his story, into what it's like growing up in these environments.
Them call me, my friend, them call me Blacks, boy, you know.
Blacks?
Yeah, Blacks. Live up in there, you know.
Yo. Alright, one, if me see your face, me can probably tell you say you with the fucking kerchief over your face. So that's the first wrong move right there. So police must kill you or come for you. God forbid. Now it's dead upon the body. But yeah. We'll just be honest.
Kingston 6. You know, and girls you can't find.
And what's it like living in this environment?
Yeah.
Dog say no, Garrison where you can't find bumbo clot. Brother, I think everybody know Garrison. Everybody know Garrison at Jamaica.
Oh, the police tell them now they have to put it in a war, you know. Kill us some Babylon, you know. Kill us some wanted man, you know.
Is there active war happening at the moment as well?
Be a war every day.
No, that we can attest to. No, you have some police at Jamaica that is very corrupt. We do have Jamaican police who are very corrupt, more corrupt than the actual criminals. Well, initially they are criminals as well if they're corrupt. But you have Jamaican cops who are very freaking corrupt, yo. When I say corrupt, like 10 out of 10 corrupt, to be honest.
Could be somebody dead. From them things you come in, just get better.
Would you say you was born into this kind of life?
Born in a bad pan, yeah. Never born accident. Yeah, man, that's why I have to grow rough. Dark. No mother, no father. Granny alone.
Where are your parents?
I don't know in there. Body just gone. I'm grow up in a badness. I'm born and see beer gun around me. I have just go and live with them now.
How can you leave this life?
Can't leave it. Never put it on me dead.
And what's this gang?
Listen. Once you take up gun and you start pre-badness and you start initiate a bad man lifestyle, you are going to get the short end of the stick, either jail or death, or you have to runway. Majority of the time, you don't make it for runway. You understand? So once you get another life there, you just can't get out, yo. Like trust me, like we know people were in it. We know people will try get out and it never end well for them. But it's what me I talk about now. Him say something like yo, his mother and his father was not there. And personally, yo, I was raised by a single mother, like no stepfather, no nothing. Like my older brother was my freaking father. So and my mother, of course. But having both parents in the household means a lot. When you left your kids with the grandmother, yo, everybody knows yo that never really turned out well. Some people yes, but in most cases, yo, your grandmother can't really rule you. 'Cause your grandmother old, you see me? And she not gonna run back here every day. She not gonna have the time for come here James or come here Blacks or whatever if you make sure say yeah do your schoolwork, yeah bathe, yeah brush teeth, yeah stay at a bad company and all them something. Especially if you're going to the garrison, yo. That shit tough, yo.
Go over. Bank come see it and we just go and continent. Them a kill out with loved one, kill out people, you know? If we brother them, friend them a kill out, whatever do, don't take it up on head, man. Enemy them kill my brother, man. From the other side.
Boy, man, tell you the truth. Well, I'm not gonna say that still, 'cause if a man kill all one of my brethren them, I don't know what me do still. You see me? I know what me do. Probably, 9 out of 10 times I call police. But, yeah, I not take up nobody sin for my head, brother. Sorry. Friends, love you. But if you guys are dying and you guys are innocent, then it's a different story. But if you're in a badness and I know say, yeah, me have to just take it as a part of the game, bro. Sadly.
Dead man.
Did you find out who it was?
Yeah, man, that dead long time, man. We both rotten out already, man. A house burned down.
What's the craziest thing you've seen living in this environment?
People cut off.
Yo, you have a place named Yorktown, Clarendon. See? Let me tell you this. The man no partial nothing, yo. Him need to go this or go do an interview down at Yorktown. The man no partial nothing. The man we know say woman and baby and pitney, toddler, whatever with my house, and them man they buckle me house for to run out and them shoot, you know. I'm not talk about one shot. 20 shot one man I get. Remember me tell you that.
Nails, if you hang them, dump them body in the river there.
And if you could change anything about what's happening with the wars, what would you change?
Just want to get rid of the enemy them first, you know. And then the place come back in a one now. And we are on the place good. We rape a thief boy, then dead.
So if someone rapes someone or robs them, they'll be dead.
Dead.
Are you happy to do this for the rest of your life?
Yeah,
Till
man.
I'm dead. Nah, stop doing it.
Man,
I
that
kill
nigga
all
might
the
be
hard
fucking
more going
serious.
up.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, man, from
Yeah, that
me
nigga
and
might be
12
serious,
stop
yo.
a boy in the neck, man. One stop kill him.
What,
And this person about 18 of me kill.
what was that over?
Him every day he see me, he take bully me and them something there, thump me up. I say one day my most
I
soul
think you
here.
want to say provoke.
I'm not stop walk with the knife till me stab him. One stab. From that, even if I'm touch 13, I just badness. Cheap badness.
How many people have you murdered?
Third.
Nah, tell no lie, no murder enough, you know. Can't count.
Bro, when me at 13, me I played Power Ranger, brother. Yeah, man. When I played Power Ranger, and I dead figure play like a football and like a cricket. And this man I killed from him at 13. From him at 13, he pick up badness, brother. Bro, them time they should have enjoyed life. Them time they should have happy for see Christmas, happy for see summer, happy for go to school, go see a little girlfriend. And them man I pick up badness at boom, yo.
I'm 10 finger,
Gotcha.
I'm 10 two of them, I'm not murder enough.
Is there any remorse, or do you feel guilty or bad about any of these murders?
No. Yeah, bad people we are killing, no bad man. I will get rid of them.
So can you still sleep easy at night?
No, retirement. Kill, all if you sleep.
Do you reckon that's affected your head and your mindset?
No, man. When we drink rum and smoke, we eat weed, man, we're alright, man.
That's crazy.
Yo, I know me I pause the video enough, but I have so much things that we can relate to what I must say, in a sense, because like basically because of we childhood life. You understand? We were around those type of people. It's a long story, but we're not getting into it. But anyway, like there are multiple people we know used to kill people, including police and soldiers. Like them kill people and it have a huge effect mentally upon them. Them can't sleep, them have PTSD, them have all them type of shit there. Like You hear him say a while ago, them smoke and drink rum. I know enough man will kill, and that's what them use to ease the pain after them kill. I like to settle them mind and keep them in a smoothing phrase or a smoothing environment mentally so them can go to sleep after killing somebody. Now, if you have to do all of that, brother, why you kill people? It don't make no sense. Make people live.
Have you any children? Or do you plan to have children?
Yeah, man, me have children, man.
Or would you want them to be in the same life that you're in?
That's why, no, you know. 10 brother, 10 different mind, you know. None of them want to come follow them father, them, you know.
And when was the last time you committed a murder?
Last week, man.
Last week?
Yeah, man. Kill about 3 of them already around, so, man. Go and look out of them, yeah, man. Why not done till we tell it done, man.
Bro, just stop the cap. Big man made, stop the cap, bro. Cause I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Tell you the truth, I don't believe you, my G. That yeah man kill 3, I don't believe you. But alright.
This next interview was done in one of the most dangerous garrisons with one of the most highest murder rates in the whole of Jamaica. I can't give away the exact location of the garrison, but just know it wasn't a safe place to be. Earlier, I saw there's people watching the roads. Why would people watch the roads? Is that in case police or anything come?
Yes, that is it, man.
And do the police come around here much?
Regular basic.
Yeah.
Regular.
If you get caught with a gun, what happens in Jamaica?
Jamaica, the government right now. Passing a law right now. A couple months ago, say 15 years for a gun. More than 15 years for a gun right at this moment.
Is crime going down?
Going down.
Bro, if police and soldier catch you with a gun, you're dead at Jamaica, bro. And I like foreign where you have a gun and, you know, police lock you up. Brother, police and soldier at Jamaica, when them see you with a gun, that is joy for them, brother. Them happy because them are going to make a dopey in idea, yeah, brother. Me don't know where you come from. With 50, you think them business? The only way you can get 15 years is if police catch you with gun and whole heap of people there run and them are witness and them are video and them are see. But make them catch you one away with a gun, you're dead. I think you're going to get that boy, I'm going to serve 15 years in prison, I'm going to see judge, I'm going to get lawyer. You're going to see a blood clot coffin now and blood clot man I throw dirt for you in a coffin here. Police and soldier have business with that. But them see you with gun, dead.
Sky high it a go.
Them a kill man with a knife.
Well, why is that? Why is crime so high?
PMP in a power. Most young youth work. MP coming in a power. Crime. If PMP was in a power, enough young youth have work. Every day, crime get worse and worse. Since this man coming to power.
Who's in power at the moment?
Nah, I beg to differ. I don't think it depends. I don't think which party is involved, JLP or PMP. As a matter of fact, for those who are watching this, for the American people, those are the two political parties in Jamaica, JLP and PMP. But I don't think that has nothing to do with, personally, I don't think that has nothing to do with the murder rate of who's in power. Because both parties are freaking evil. Both parties are evil. Y'all both do the same thing, just in different ways or at different time. So, nah, I beg to differ, buddy.
What's his name?
Androlis, man.
How do you feel about Androlis?
Step aside and go one side.
Who voted him
Oh,
in?
God.
All them Lebanese there, get a look at job, we get turned on.
So PMP want work for the Jamaicans, but Labour's anti almost.
That is it.
Anyone with $10,000 or more in credit card debt or personal loans.
It's different turf.
The opposition is this close.
Yeah. So you have to be aware. These places no go zone.
Bro, that's less than 50 meters.
Enemies ground.
That's insane.
So the place run.
People who live here, if they go here, it could kick off.
Yeah. Kill.
Is it not safe for you to stand here?
Right at this moment, it's good now.
Right now, ceasefire. Everything chill. But wrong person, wrong time, game.
Gone.
Let's go back that way. Back.
You're smart, you better go back. But yo, this is a true story, yo. This lane right here, so open the can see the cursor. But this lane, you see right here, so like the lane here, so yo, is literally, there are so many places in Jamaica. That's why I say, yo, it is so fucking ridiculous and uncalled for. Because it's literally a war with your neighbor. So people from out of this lane or this section of the road can literally just come out on the road and shoot up whoever they in next side of the road. And as you can see, this is a fucking 2-lane street. Car go up, car go down. So these niggas can literally just come out on the front and shoot you. So what's the ideology behind the war? Just for turf name, just for street cred? Like, bro, to me, I've always found that shit stupid and just uncalled for. Because you're killing innocent people, including children and women. And the badness where we grew up on, we don't kill women and children. We don't kill innocent women and innocent kids. You see me? And the badness where we grew up on, brother, woman and pitney outside. Innocent man outside. Kill who you know say you're supposed to kill. Kill who you know say do something to you or a friend of yours or one of your family member, or them the thing that we did grow up on. We never grew up on them say badness not and a badness again, brother. I just some young man we have gone and things to them.
Used to run it wild out there, wild life used to deal with it. Grimy. You see me now. I did a 31. Enough of my friend them never live, see my age. This turned me a monster around here. From lose my mother at the age of 15-year-old, today I'm 31-year-old. Grimy life.
My next interview was in Spanish Town, known for its turf war, gang wars, and high murder rates.
Spain Town, that's where my mother father come from. Yeah. That's where my mother whole generation come from, brother. Spain Town, brother. Yeah, I'm telling you a crazy story, yo. My brother go Spain Town, go look for your grandfather, you know. And that time they were buzzing, you know. Dress for impress, you know. So we don't know the place too good. Because we used to stay with the grandfather. We our grandfather had a goat. So we used to go down there go stay with the father. With the Jamaica, we used to stay with the father. With grandfather, I mean. And grandfather have some whole heap of goat. So he was the second person to ever live a red ground. A place in Spanish Town named Red Ground. And if you don't know this, so. But we got one like we left and come back now, and you know, we are big, we are big boy now. The time is about 17, 18. My big brother Chase. And we jump in our shop and brother, some bugger man we see brother. We say, yo, who they brother? Tell me I say, yo, I eat this it. Cause we hear about Spanish Town. And you're bad. When we the younger, every time we look up in about, I don't know, 8, 9, 7 when we are still the grandfather. So he never bad them time there, you see me? And people did respect him and love him. You know, make him so rest in peace. But yeah, yo, Spanish Town is a bad place, yo. Trust me. Like, I think a Spanish Town was the first place we hear say cut off man head and carrot, go put it on them parents' wall. Yeah man, them man in the ramp, man.
I spoke to a gang member here and got an insight into how gangs really operate here in Jamaica. What's it like living here?
Well, if you live in area for skill and know for survive to live in this Atonia, because Atonia is normal. A dog, yam dog.
And how dangerous is it living here?
On a nice place.
Time bomb.
A time bomb. It is like you're upon a bomb. You walk go down the say you can dead at any minute, any second. So you have to make sure you have your thing on you when you make a walk. Because you can't just walk. So you have to be knowing and have family take you around and show you to people so you can live in peace and live comfortable so everybody know you. But you can't just come and they are so right now for you they are so and nobody don't know you. I rob you and I get rob a man take all your things and all them things from you. You can't tell who you know about you. You can't ask a prescription and nobody you go dead.
And is it easy to get a job here?
Just your community alone for give you address alone and to get a job.
And so how people pay?
Think prescription away, Dr. Gill. But yeah, big up youths them. Yeah. Stay in school, kids.
Paying for bills?
Well, you have some people still, you know. You have to go far out and go do a look. You have some people who do days work, like one look at site work and so forth. To survive, you have to have this. Because you say if you don't have this, you can't survive. This is like a power in a Spanish Town. So when a man know you have this, a man stay wide and know say, yo, I can't too ramp with you because you know say your head will mash.
And what are people fighting over?
Why people just fight for living, you know. And sometimes the politics trigger them. Sometimes you say PMP and you say wrong thing at the wrong time, so you have to know what you say. Sometimes you have to just neutral and go through.
So is it political gang war?
Gang war, yeah man. Ups and down you say in a war, you can't go down there so. And down there so you can come up here.
So how far is that from your block?
Couple look at chain, because you can look in distance, you can stay from here and look down there. You jump on a car and move if you move, but you can't have foot. You have to depend on vehicle and move. You see a bush life we live right now. You see a bush we have to in so we can't do depend on the front, you see me? So we have to live like a
Cave, man.
cave, man.
And I'm assuming, bro, you want to leave this life.
Remember, say every man want better for themselves, but we not have it forget you right now, so we have to just live the life where we can live right now. When you not have it, you have to just go and do what you do. Because right now, you say you change your life, and dead you're good and dead, so you have to just stick to the evil where you know.
What advice would you give to people who are coming to Spanish Town
Well,
as a tourist?
Eyes out.
and be careful and know a object where you go to. You can't just go in a place, so you have to have somebody, some link where can take you round, so you know, so people know you and see and this man, you know, say no man can ramp with you because I see you're not a man here, so a man here good.
So if I was to come here with my girlfriend, would it be good for us just to walk through the garrisons or not?
Well, a man see a man
No,
and him
look at
girl,
that.
him not go really too pressure him like that, because him see man a lady or what, but probably for you alone, or your lady alone and a man see her, most of man will want to look at woman.
What if I was walking with big jewellery and big watches?
Yeah, well,
That gone,
that
brother.
one, that is come like a food to it, like a rice and peas and chicken from we see that. So we have to get it. So you have to be careful. If I ever wire you have in your ears, don't make it shine. Because when we see it a shine, we are come to it.
And the one thing I'm hearing as well that's big in Jamaica is contract killings.
Yeah, that's the one you most. Cause remember say,
White
not
people
hurt, not
crime.
go on. And forget a local man to go kill it. Come like a joy. Because you can make a 200 or a 300,000 easy and quick.
So to kill someone, it costs as little as 200,000.
So yo, make we break this down, see? Now EMC can get 100 or 200,000. 100,000 is not even, and I promise when I say this, that shit is not even $1,000 in the US. 100,000 is probably like $800 US. So think about that. Just think about that. That these niggas really killing for little and nothing, yo. Just think about that shit, bro.
Jamaican dollars.
All depends on the bat. Because you see you have dear bat, you have cheap bat and you have dear bat. You see businessman bat, very expensive.
The higher ranking the person is,
Yeah,
the more it's going
the
to cost.
more it will cost.
If I offered you $1 million to kill someone, would you do that?
Right now, 'cause remember say nothing now go on and we tell us say we not have no work, no job, so that is like a job to we. Probably me wouldn't even get the job, because 10, 20 man want it before even me.
The hierarchy, the way the gangs work in Jamaica. So I'm realising you've got soldiers and you've got dons.
Yeah, you have done and you have followers that follow back at the done them same way.
So how'd you get to become a don?
Well, you have to kill people. And people know you as a serial.
Respect.
So them respect you as a killer.
If the don wants someone killed, would he have to pay?
Then just want to say,
One talk and
one talk and I hit that. All 17, 15 man want to go.
So people would kill for the don for nothing.
Right now.
And how long does it take to become a don, or is there no time frame? Is it just based on how many people you kill?
No, all depends. You have to born and grow in an area, and you're there in the area and you respect Jew people. Can look up to you and say, well, this man is fit to run the place. Or from the councillor, give you the Dan or the MP, say, well, him are the Dan. You know you have to just work with that, because the MP them powerful enough. And the MP them tell we all these things what them are going to do for you, or what them are going to make happen for you, and we still not see nothing. So we have to just go and live the way we can live. For better come. We don't want in a bush every day. I live bush life. Can't get no good night's sleep. We can't even rest in our bed in peace, because we have to look out our eye. We not live comfortable. We not even.
Yo, that's a true story, yo. Like, remember a youth by the name of Dill. Yo, this man was out there, like, in the streets. You know what I mean? And like the story when we used to tell, yo, is like the man they have to sleep with like one eye open, brother. So that man just sleep, brother. The man have to sleep with one eye open, brother. You see me? Because he was that dangerous. And I don't know who after them. Bro, the main thing with picking up a crime tolerated life or a life of crime, you're never going to be at peace. You're only going to be at peace when you're dead. So if you're watching this and you be like, yo, I want to live the roadman life and I want to be this type of person, leave that. That's not for you. Yeah, that's not for you, bro. Leave that. That roadman life is not going to be for you, because guess what? it's gonna come with a lot of pain and a lot of fucking discomfort. Like us normal civilians, we can go to bed and be at peace. We can go to bed and the most we get is a bad dream or we just didn't sleep well because, you know what I mean, something. But we're not gonna go to bed thinking, oh, we gotta be so cautious of what time we go to bed, how long we sleep, or where we have to sleep. Brother, I think me want to live my life, I live in a bush at them, man. I'm gonna bomb buckle up baboon and rat and them something there.
So we can sit down on a stove to say we are going to cook a pot. Because we have to look, so we have to just mostly grab a box food or grab a snacks and we know so we that's how we live in Jamaica.
And that's what I'm trying to capture, bro, because no one really knows that's happening.
People knowing about people just be a blind eye to it. Even the MP them we call up and sometimes so them know what is going on and know what is taking place. Sometimes it's even them give with the gun them too.
And let's say I wanted to buy a gun, how much would it cost me?
The bigger the gun and the bigger the money. You want a look and a look spinners, you have a look 250 and 300,000 you get one look spinners. That's how most man get done to. Because they come in here and see man like we, they can support the thing, them buy real 5, 6, 7 gun, 8 gun. So we have to say, yeah, this is money I done, you know. Because remember, you have strengthen the thing, you know. We don't have the powers, we don't have the money. So you have the money, you have the power, so we have a gear done shit. Because you have the money for strengthen the thing. Go to jail, you can find lawyer for it. So Jamaica is like this. The more money you have, the more powers you have. Because money is powers in Jamaica. Yeah. Crime and the violence must try to change that because it's so wicked. Sometimes I'm look a grandson gone out there and I fret for him. Because so for show you how it's serious. We live in Jamaica, but it's very hard and rough and tough, but you don't know how you have to live. Because I don't know if we not have this, we can't live. Respect and manners to Jamaica people.
I hope your situation changes, bro, both of you. I hope you're able to make it out of this environment, bro.
Yeah, we wish every day and pray to for things change and better, because every youth in our community will not like better. Just like how you can come in and talk to you and make you feel look comfortable in the community. Because right now, you know, long we don't see somebody like you who come on and say, Ray, you make you feel so good in our community. So people like you who want in our country.
Thank you for your time, bro.
You're welcome. Big up yourself.
The next interview was in Spanish Town again.
All right, yo. Make we kind of piggyback off our dog. Say, yo, I don't want to feel like say some of them money when you say pick up badness are done, brother. Enough of them money are people who well educated, but them just never have the opportunity. They never have the chance like majority of it. You see me? For example, none of them never have a chance to go foreign. None of them never have the chance to have a mother and a father. Bro, a father is so intricate in a child's life, bro, just as how the mother is. But having a father, and a father will love you and direct you the right way. Now, my father did me a 2-month old, but my mother played a very good role of being a father, right? But it just goes to show you how important a father is in your son life, bro, or in your daughter life. Because, let me tell you, dog, there's one thing you can say about your daughter, you know, either she got on whore or name the other road, you know, who she dealt with and who she not dealt with. Or she just have a bad. But bro, your son, that's where things get very complicated. Because you have to think about so many different things. As a Jamaican individual, as a Jamaican father, so some of the main things you have to think about is one, your son getting in the wrong company, doing the wrong shit with the wrong people. 2, that nigga coming gay. I promise you. If you ask any Jamaican dad, they're gonna tell you like, bro, I don't want my son to be a killer or getting any gang activities, and most importantly, they don't want their son to be fucking gay. I'm telling you, that's how these dads are. But that sets a foundation for your kids as a father, because you're gonna teach them right from wrong. You're going to let them know, listen, if you get into violence, crime and violence, that lifestyle, you're going to end up dead or in jail. And when you're in jail, you're going to live a life of misery. And when you're outside, you're still going to live a life of misery. So, bro, if y'all out there, bro, be a good dad to your kids, bro. Be there. Sometimes it don't work out between you and the mom, but sometimes you just have to rough it out and just be there for your kids, bro. Trust me, that shit is important, bro.
Insight to what it's like being a higher ranking member of a gang. What's it like being in Spanish Town?
Boy, Spanish Town bad, you know. Doggy, you know. Cover me not doing to it. So you don't know if you take it to a different level, isn't it? I get to this, you know, close to live. To see better.
How bad is the violence in this area?
Come like a time bomb, isn't it? Anytime now everything can just boom. People start dead, isn't it?
And if you could change anything about this neighbourhood, what would you change?
Also, hungry feet.
How are people making money in these environments?
More to my links, you know, links and hustle.
So when are people hustling? How are they hustling?
Here I get the people also get robbed too.
Is it more that it's gang wars in these areas?
Yeah, man, 34 hours to same way back at that too.
And what's the fight over?
Hungry feet, money. I have one friend, against it too. You see me, that's why I don't know if I always have to think about what I was saying.
And you get police around the area much?
Yeah,
checking
man.
the area?
Police come regular, man, but what? I'm afraid of them. And you see me, them afraid of it too, you know. More time, police my bad man too.
The police are corrupt as
Yeah,
well?
man, police and corrupt the same way. Yeah, I don't feel the money if you think work in the whole day, you know. Either you're dead in a jailhouse, you know.
So you can pay the police off?
Yeah, man, some of them will take it, man. You know, bribe, you know.
And what's the worst thing you've seen living in Spanish Town?
My head cut off as some general, man.
And do you get many tourists visiting this area?
Yeah, man, when the tourists them forward, man, we treat them right like how them treat the right, man. The thing normal.
So I'm assuming you don't want to do this ever?
No, we don't want, some we don't want to deal with it ever. That's someone love it, you know. Someone in born with it, you know. Born with the badness, you see me?
Being in that kind of life, does it mess with your head, like psychologically?
I don't know, I'm more than to put them back away, you know, but we love it same time. Right now, someone right, that's all. See him there? You know, see him, can I do it?
And has anyone here got children?
Yeah, man, I wear dogs, man, children, man.
And I guess, would you want your children to live this kind of life?
Nah, man, I don't want it, you know.
But you them have eaten that idea, though.
Is there a case of if you don't live this life, you can't make money?
Can't make nothing at all.
More time bang line too. You understand what's a bang line?
What's that?
Scamming, man.
White collar crime, man.
You know? Yeah, man, I call them, I know, so we know Benz, man. Big fat G-Wagon, them and Benz, eh?
Lottery, man.
Scam, man.
Sweet steaks, man. They win gift, man.
I don't know, give them a payroll, man.
Yes, them say them go win.
All right, let's pause. Let's pause for a minute. Let me just voice my honest truth. I don't think these guys are any thugs. I think they're probably scammers, and scammers now in Jamaica has to buy a firearm because they have to be protected because a lot of people want these niggas' head. But I don't think these niggas are shooters, bro. Like the aura, the presentation, the look. Not saying, listen, bro, I know a shooter when I see one. I'm just saying, especially a Jamaican shooter. These guys don't look like no shooter. They're probably like lottery scammer dudes, and you know what I mean, they just pistol up because they have to. You know what I mean? They've done a lot of wrongs to their friends. Like he said, your own friend will turn on you. Your old friend will turn on you if that scamming money don't go right. So I think that's what these dudes are, bro. They just don't give me that. You know what I mean? Yeah, bro. Nah.
Money. Say no,
And what's the worst memory you've got from Spanish Town?
I beat the wars, you know. Yeah, man, some friend them dead and them thing there, you know.
When something like that happens, how does that affect you? Is it a case you want to stop this, or does it make you want to get there?
Yeah, stop.
Boy, if it dead back,
the back feet, you know.
Yeah, man, all them mama, man.
All them mama for the back too, you know what I'm saying? All them blow up, mama, man. I wear some general, man, and where thing go.
If you've got a problem with someone's got a problem with you, and you can't find them, they'll go for the family.
Yeah, shot, I get you, man. You catch a shot.
That's insane.
Yeah, man.
If you could do anything to help everyone in this area, what do you reckon can be done?
Business. Because enough of them youth have the education to see me. Don't feel like we are done, you know. Man, them smart to back at it, you see me. You just want money. You use them live, lavish. Them like a crime, you see me.
Never told you.
And how frequent are shootings in this area?
Anytime. There's right now, there's someone to clap up for the sun, man, dead over the sun.
Always have a thing for you, you see.
I'm telling you this, you know. This is not about clock uptown in a bad man. Get up. So there you come as someone. Right now, you're there right now, brother. I respect with game in general. I tell you when I want to rob it too. But you rate, you know? I respect, isn't it? Yeah, man. That's respect and I love this bad man.
If you was telling people to come here, what would you tell them are the do's and don'ts of this area?
Yeah, what go on. So if you come here, more time.
If you have a friend or family.
If you have a link, man. Man, you tap here, so where you come to? Dog name, you come to have your name.
The easy date, man.
Yeah, man, you come to Tom Joe.
If you could stop this gang war, would you stop it?
Can't stop it. You can't take one
Nah,
man to stop this.
if you could.
And I say, something we want to do every day. Forever. That's say you would stop it, you know. Tired of bumbuckler, mackerel and chicken back, you know. A steak and bumbuckler and yam, brother. Steak and lobster and them thing there. We tell that 10 forward.
Alright, I hope everyone's situation changes, bro, and I hope your life changes for the better and you haven't got to do this in years to come, man.
Yeah. That you want to, man.
Man, every time, man.
Yeah, it was nice to meet everyone.
Straight headshot.
Isn't it?
Alright, yo. Let me say this. Like, comment, subscribe, of course. But yo, the dude who did this video, Like, bro, if you want to go to like real, like, don't get me wrong, Spanish Town is a violent place, bro. Like, it's a violent place. Don't get me wrong, Spanish Town is one of them places. Trust me. But you have other areas that were more violent than Spanish Town. You have Tivoli Gardens, you have Jungle, you have Rima, you have a lot of those different places. At this moment, St. James is probably one of the biggest murder capitals in Jamaica. And to piggyback off what I said earlier, I think Mobay, St. James, Mobay, same thing. That's where the scamming actually started to be global in Jamaica. Westmoreland side, like that's when somebody say I'm from the West, that's like I think it's Montego Bay, Hanover, Negril, Savlamar. That's West, right? So Montego Bay was one of those places where scamming became very popular, and then it got to being cool, which it shouldn't have been cool because it's wrong. But excuse me, but then it get to people backstabbing each other, and like he stated, your friend can turn on you because that scamming money didn't split how it was supposed to split, and it all become a freaking roller coaster. So next time, bro, I would definitely want to see you go to like Montego Bay, St. James, in those type of areas, or like Tivoli Garden, Jungle, Rima, the Gully side, all those places, right? I would want to see you go to those places and do an interview. The interview was nice. I love it, bro. But god damn, bro, these niggas have it hard, bro. Sometimes you gotta sit back and just give God thanks because you don't know what another person's situation is. And damn, bro, these dudes living in the bushes. The one dude, bro, let me show you guys, bro. This dude right here in the freaking green beanie or green mask. He said you can't even cook food because you have to be on the lookout. So you can't sit there and cook a nice pot of food because you have to be on the lookout. So they have to get box food or snacks or just things where they can literally munch on, bro. So you want to tell me you guys want to live this type of lifestyle and cannot even cook your own meal in peace? Nah, bro. Nah. But anyway, yo, this your boy Dino. Go follow the socials, Dinhoswole on TikTok and on Instagram. If you want to follow the reaction page, you can just type in Gen 1 Podcast on TikTok as well. Go follow. I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.